Hello everyone, welcome to my Python tutorials. Today's episode I'll be showing you how to use print statements. Print statements is how you print something on the screen so it could tell the user something that you want to tell them. There are many ways to do this, but I'm going to show you the most simplistic way, and I'm going to also show you something that most YouTubers and most programmers call Hello World. So let's begin. First, open up idle. In the last episode, the last episode, I showed you how to download idle, how to download Python and the shell. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. So you have the shell open. What you start with is very simple. The print statement is just print with a left parenthesis, a quotation mark, and then whatever you want to say. Like, for instance, hello world. And you end it with another quotation, and then another parenthesis. And this, when I click enter, will print it on the screen in blue letters, hello world. Now, there's no way you can alter this in many ways. So, for instance, if I would say print left parenthesis, you can also use apostrophes, and it will work just the same. Now, if you do not end it with what you started, let's say I want to start with an apostrophe, but I end it with quotation, it's not going to work. You see that parenthesis is now green? That doesn't work. It has to end in the same thing you started it with. So I have to use an apostrophe and then end it with a right parenthesis and then press enter and it will say the same thing. Now I like to use quotations for one simple reason. For this reason, say I'm saying something like apostrophe Jimmy's house and apostrophe. You see, there's apostrophe here and the program thinks, oh, this is where it ends at Jimmy. No, you just put an apostrophe S and then house and then try to end it with this and now it just doesn't work out. You see, it says syntax error, invalid syntax. So I usually use, to prevent that, quotation marks so I could say Jimmy's house. And then it works. So that's pretty much it for print statement. There are many different things we can use with print statements, but I won't get into that until further episodes because there are other things like assigning variables and stuff like that I'll show you in the next episode. But that's really all you got to do with the print statement. So yeah, I'll see you all next time, and next time we'll talk about assigning variables. Bye-bye.